Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by putting the chain on the smallest chainring and the smallest rear cog so the derailleur is unloaded. This gives a neutral baseline. Check the hanger visually and with a straight edge, because a bent hanger ruins indexing. Next, back off barrel adjusters to mid-travel, turn them so there's room to fine-tune. Make sure cable housing seats are clean, any dirt or kinks change tension. Once that is done, you're ready to attach or verify cable anchor torque and proceed. Now focus on the H-limit and cable tension. Set the H-screw so the upper pulley lines up directly beneath the smallest cog. You should avoid overshifting into the spokes. Pull the cable tight with moderate force, clamp the anchor bolt, and immediately test a 1-2 cog shift. Use the barrel adjuster for small corrections. Also adjust B tension so the top pulley sits about 5 to 6 millimeters from the largest cog. That gap controls cog to pulley clearance. Finish by indexing. Shift through the cassette one cog at a time while pedaling. If it hesitates or overshifts, turn the barrel adjuster a quarter turn. Clockwise reduces tension, counterclockwise increases it, and repeat until crisp. If adjustments don't help, make sure the cable slides freely. Disconnect, clean, lube light oil, and reseat housing ferrules. Finally, take a short test ride under load and recheck limit screws and B tension after a few rides. If persistent skip or noise appears, inspect the hanger and cable for hidden damage.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.